If you are a regular barbecue griller, these 25-inch long tongs are an absolute must, which is why I was super excited when the brand gifted them to me. So thank you so much to the brand. These will keep your hands far away from the heat, and you're not going to be leaning over and right over the flames to flip burgers or steaks or anything like that. You're going to be able to stay far away from the heat in a nice safe distance with these super long tongs. They do come in other lengths as well. I think they come in like a 20-inch, 21-inch, and they come in 19-inch, but I love the long 25-inch. These ones are absolutely beautiful, stainless steel with the beautiful acacia wood handle, so they're nice and comfortable to use. It has this little feature here to keep them closed when you're not using them. And then there's just this really cute added detail. The cutout on the end of the tongs is like a little happy face. So cute and functional. They're stainless steel, durable, easy to clean, and the grip is strong enough for your heavier cuts of meat. They're perfect for burgers, steaks, veggies. You could even, if you have the old style charcoal barbecue, you could use this for moving around your charcoal. Highly recommend them. They're professional, practical, and just a little bit of fun, which I absolutely love. Get yourself a pair. Thanks again to the brand.